Hi guys, it's me, and today the focus is on one of the most vital components in a diesel engine setup. It may not be shiny like a new smartphone or have the hype of a next-gen gadget, but for anyone running heavy-duty trucks, buses, or industrial machines, this part is as critical as it gets. It's the FridayParts Fuel Injection Pump 4076442X, also listed as 4,076,442, designed specifically for Cummins C Series ISC 8. 3 liters and ISC 8. 9 liters engines. When people talk about Cummins, the first words that usually come to mind are durability, dependability, and long service life. These engines are widely recognized for powering vehicles and machinery that are built to endure thousands of hours under extreme workloads. But the truth is, even the most reliable engine will only perform as intended when the fuel injection system is doing its job. That's exactly where this pump comes in. The injection pump essentially controls the heartbeat of a diesel engine. Its role is to deliver precise amounts of fuel under very high pressure into the combustion chamber at exactly the right time. Too much, and efficiency suffers while emissions spike. Too little, and performance drops drastically. If timing is off, you end up with poor ignition and noticeable symptoms such as rough idling, excessive smoke, or sluggish response. So this isn't just another component, it's one of the core systems that determine whether your Cummins runs smoothly or struggles. FridayParts engineered this replacement pump with the Cummins ISC 8. 3 liters and ISC 8. 9 liters series in mind, ensuring full compatibility with mounting points, fuel lines, and fittings. That direct fit design is important because when a pump fails, downtime is already costing money. No one wants to deal with modifications or adjustments when replacing something so essential. Having a unit that drops right in and restores the engine to proper working condition is exactly what keeps fleets on schedule and equipment in operation. Let's look at what makes this particular unit stand out. First, the construction. Fuel injection pumps work under intense conditions. We're talking about thousands of psi, extreme vibration, and constant exposure to heat cycles. FridayParts built this pump with robust materials designed to withstand those stresses without premature wear. Everything from the housing to the internal moving parts is reinforced for longevity. The performance benefits are clear once installed. With a reliable pump in place, fuel delivery becomes consistent again. That means smoother acceleration, steady power output under load, cleaner combustion, and noticeable improvements in efficiency. In industries where engines run long hours every day, even small gains in fuel economy translate to significant cost savings over time. Value is another major consideration here. OEM fuel injection pumps from dealerships often come with steep prices and sometimes long wait times. FridayParts offers this replacement at a more accessible cost without cutting corners on quality for operators managing multiple trucks or machines. Being able to source high-quality replacements at lower cost can make a serious difference in the bottom line. From an installation perspective, this is a part typically handled by professionals. While it's not the kind of component most casual owners replace on their own, shops and experienced mechanics will find the FridayParts pump designed for quick integration. The exact fitment means less time spent troubleshooting or modifying, and more time getting the engine back to full operation. That reduction in downtime is just as valuable as the part itself. Fuel efficiency deserves another spotlight. Diesel prices rarely go down, and fuel inefficiency eats directly into profits. A worn or failing pump doesn't atomize fuel properly, leading to wasted diesel and higher operating costs. A fresh, well-built pump like this one restores proper atomization, meaning the engine burns cleaner and more efficiently. Beyond saving money, this also reduces emissions, which is increasingly important for compliance with regulations in many regions. For owners and operators, the implications go beyond fuel savings. Equipment or vehicles that stay down because of pump failure result in lost contracts, delayed shipments, or construction